everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you all what I have here. I have my car, but I have this. Here is a seat cover for my car I got because, I mean, right now it's cold, but sometimes when it's hot and stuff, you don't want to be sitting on hot leather. And also when I work out and stuff, I get all sweaty and gross. So I got myself these. It comes with two, and they are seat covers. I think I got strawberry pictures just because I thought that was cool. But let's see what we got here. And we're going to try to put this on here together and see how it works. So it's got the straps, and then the part down there. So you see it's got a little cover. So I'm going to assume it goes this way here. So let's put it on my seat and we'll see how easy it is to put on. So it's kind of cool. It's got a strap here. It's bungee, so it's going to wrap around there. So that is on. And this goes up over here, headrest. And then this goes down here. And there's a step in some water. But then this strap will just clip on somewhere underneath. So looks like that. So I'm going to come show you guys what it looks like here. So it looks like this. So this is what it will be. And I can still use my seat belt over it here. I just have to, right there's my little contraption for it. So that, see how comfortable it is when I sit in here. It's nice. And it's good because it wraps over the headrest. It doesn't fall down when you're sitting on it like just a towel would be on the seat. So this is what it looks like with one. Let's go try it on the driver's seat too. Here, I think this is going to go around the seat belt, so it'll keep you from the seat belt from hurting you. So let's try this out here. I don't know if the other one came with one. No, looks like you just got one. So it looks like it'll just go up here like this and like that. Nice and soft. Okay, let's try this other one out here. Oh, maybe that was the one for that side. Let's just try it here. So let's see what we got here. And this should be another one the same. Can't do it when we sit in the air. And there it is, as easy as can be. Okay, so there it is, and you can see it looks really nice, and it's made out of like a terry cloth kind of feel, so it's kind of like a towel. And then the back of it's a little rubberized, so it'll keep your seat dry probably as well. So I'm gonna say this is really nice, and I mean it looks good. It doesn't look like a seat, but you saw how quick it was to put it on, so you can just easily put these on, keep them in the car, so when people are gross or dirty or wet from the beach or working out or whatever, throw one of these puppies on and keep the car nice and pristine. Thumbs up from me, really like it.